The 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Come on in and take a test drive.